Okay, this video is just to show you how ESPN calculates their odds on poker. In this example, Phil is at a 30% underdog, while Sands is a 70% favorite to win. How did they get these calculations? Well, based on stats, there's 52 cards in a deck, and as we can see here, there's 4 cards that's already been dealt, with 5 to be dealt soon. Well, because 4 is on deck, that leaves 48 cards left in the deck. Chance of hitting an ace for Phil would be 6.3%, simply 3 outs over the number of cards left in deck, which is 48, because we used up 4 already. Well, there's still 5 cards to be dealt, and since it hasn't been dealt yet, we multiply that by the chance of hitting an ace for Phil, which gives us 31.3% chance. For Sands, we just take the complementary of that, which gives us 70% chance roughly. And that's how they get the calculations on ESPN. Is this method valid? Well, let's check on the flop.
16, Phil Ivey all in with ace king against Doc Sands'
We'll
pocket
see
kings.
on the flop.
Tough to be dominated with ace king, but occasionally
Well, on the
cold decks
flop,
will find a way.
Phil is now 13% underdog, while Sands is at 87% favorite to win. How did they do that? The same method as before. Well, since there's 52 cards in the deck, now we've used up 7 cards because there's 2 whole cards for Phil and 2 whole cards for Sands, while 3 is on the flop. So that's a total of 7 cards that's used up. Total cards in the deck now is gonna be 45. And there's still 3 outs for Phil to win if he catches one of these aces. The chance of him doing that is gonna be 6.67%. We just do 3 over 45. Well, since we've already dealt out 3 cards on the flop, there's still 2 cards left to be dealt. So we multiply 2 times 6.67, which yields a 13.33% chance for Ivy, while Sands is still at an 87% chance. And that's just the complementary 1 minus 13.33%. Now that's how odds are calculated.